Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to jumpstart your Jaguar F-Pace. First, prioritize safety by ensuring both vehicles are completely off. Gather your essential equipment, including good quality jumper cables, safety gloves, and eye protection. Carefully position the donor vehicle, making sure it is close enough for the cables to reach but not touching your F-Pace. This preparation is crucial for a safe and successful jumpstart. Now, let's connect the jumper cables correctly. First, attach one red clamp to the positive terminal of your F-Pace's battery. Then, connect the other red clamp to the positive terminal of the donor vehicle's battery. Next, connect one black clamp to the negative terminal of the donor vehicle. Finally, attach the remaining black clamp to an unpainted metal part on your F-Pace, away from the battery. With the cables securely connected, it's time to start the engines. Begin by starting the donor vehicle and letting it run for about 5 minutes. This allows its battery to charge your F-Pace's battery slightly. After this brief wait, attempt to start your Jaguar F-Pace. If it doesn't start on the first try, wait another 5 minutes before trying again. Once your F-Pace is running, it's time to disconnect the cables safely. First, turn off both vehicles. Carefully remove the black clamp from the unpainted metal part of your F-Pace. Next, remove the other black clamp from the donor vehicle's negative terminal. Finally, disconnect the red clamp from the donor vehicle's positive terminal, and then the red clamp from your F-Pace's positive terminal. Allow your F-Pace to run for at least 20 minutes to recharge its battery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.